Welcome to the Mae Sot Friday Night Market. I'm here a bit early. It's actually about 5:15. We have a busker at the entrance. So we're greeted with a song. And one of the first things I'm seeing here is honey. And they actually have their own bees here. A lot of them are inside the netting, but a lot of them have made it to the outside as well. And there's a honeycomb right there. And they still have sort of a COVID control at the entrance. And I walked through the Mae Sot Market Street the other day, but I felt like I was holding the camera far away from the produce and the food. So this is kind of an experiment in terms of just walking through the market, but then holding the camera sort of closer to a lot of the things that are on display for sale. And another trick to shooting this 360 video right now is that I haven't really mastered editing it yet, so I don't have a professional program. All I can do is shoot one long continuous video clip. So my plan is to walk through the market from one end to the other in like 10 or 15 minutes, and that will be one video. Some fresh produce here, and that's as opposed to a regular vlog, where you shoot, over an hour or 2 hours and all kinds, multiple clips, and then you would cut it all up and then stitch together, dozens of clips into one video. But I can't do that with this camera as yet. So let's raise this up as high as I can go, and I will give you the best view I can offer of the whole market street ahead of me and behind me. 360 camera, so it's all around me. So let's continue walking along. Corn on the cob. It actually looks cooked. You could probably just buy that and eat it right off the cob. And this is always a crowd favorite, durian, one of the crazier fruits of the world. Can be expensive too. Like you can see these packages of durian here, 400 to 500 baht for one package. There's a lot of stalls here where you can buy food in a bag and take it home for your dinner. So you kind of have to know what you like when you come up to one of these places. A lot of finger food here. Oh, this is interesting. Kind of a squid, I think. Lobster, fish sticks. It's a kind of snacky fish food. seafood. Look at that. Bags to take home of something, but I don't know what that is. He's making something there. Oh, like little green pastries. Like a crepe or a chapati, something like that. But I don't know what it's made out of. Another aerial view of the market ahead of me. Look at everything over here. Sausage on a stick. And always one of my favorite places. It has the sandwiches. How'd it go? Fresh fish. I always forget the name of fruit. I know this fruit has a special name, dragon fruit, maybe in English. And you can see the interior of it there. I remember when I visited this market, one time I managed to have a conversation with someone who talked about how everyone had to pay a certain fee, like to rent one of these spots every night. Because I was talking, I think, to the woman who collected the fee, and then she walked around the market from booth to booth and was collecting each night. And for their fee, I always end up getting snacks like this. It's one of my favorites. But yeah, she was collecting the fee, for renting the spot, but there was also a spot for all of them to plug in their electrical cords to get electricity. Always interesting. You get the more exotic snacks, grasshoppers, crickets, and these ones, I don't even know what some of them are. Cicadas and some larvae. I've lost track of time, so I don't know how long I've been recording. As I said, I'm kind of limited right now because this video has to be taken in one shot. I started at one end of the market, and then I'm walking all the way to the other end. The whole market consists of just one street. Banana chips.
ความดันโลหิตสูงแก้กล้ามเนื้ออักเสบข้ออักเสบตับอักเสบแล้วก็เบาหวานอันนี้คือประโยชน์ของมันด้วยนะครับ
And here at the end of the market street, you find sections of clothing. Yeah, I had a really good experience today because my sandals were falling apart. Straps were ripping out of the base, and I thought I would just have to buy new sandals. But a friend of mine told me about a shoe repair place in town. I'd been looking for one for a long time, but I couldn't find one. But with his help, I managed to track one down. And like 3 minutes later, my sandal was fixed. He fixed it right up for me. It's always great to know about a place like shoe repair. All right, I think this is going to be the end of this video. I've made it all the way to the end of the market. And I might turn around and shoot another video walking all the way back through it. But yeah, here's the other entrance to the market where it stops at this street. So turn around one more time for a look backwards. The Mae Sot Friday Night Market.